pleura, pleura, and mediastinum. The space mediastinum. Yes. Here we have superior mediastinum. Here inferior. If we make not frontal but sagittal section, we will see manubrium sterni, corpus sterni, processus xiphoideus. Here will be apertura thoracica superior. Apertura thoracica superior. Here will be vertebral column. Boys, stop talking! Ну что такое? What do you want to discuss? You want to tell this topic, please? One sound from you and you will tell this topic. I don't know about Nigeria or India or other country. In our country, if it's not interesting for you, you can leave this room. In our country, student can say something only after permission of teacher in this room. He need to lift up hand and ask, please, I want to tell. Only in this case, you can tell something. But as for Nigerian student, I can't stop this. Downside, diaphragm, yes? Vertebral column. Stem. I told you, we need to put imaginary plane between manubrium sterni and corpus sterni, and here between 4th and 5th vertebrae, thoracic vertebrae. Inferior mediastinum, bordered by mediastinal pleura, both sides. Downside, this diaphragm will be upside, imaginary plane that you need to imagine in your mind. And in the middle of mediastinum inferior, heart will be. As you know, heart is covered with pericardium, special fibrosus bag outside. This fibrosus bag divide the space into 3 parts. Anterior, in front of pericardium, posterior, behind, and medial, between 2 leaves of pericardium. Anterior part, here will be lymphatic vessels, blood vessels, lymphatic nodes. Posterior part, here will be aorta, this big arterial vessel, biggest. Vena cava inferior, esophagus, here will be nerves like vagus and phrenicus, here will be present. Lymphatic nodes will be present. So this, and between 2 leaves of pericardium, mediastinum, only heart is present. Only heart is present. This for you to study this topic. You need to prepare at home table and add superior wall, inferior wall, lateral wall. What's happened? Are you students or you clowns? Focus. Superior wall, inferior, lateral, middle, posterior, anterior. Here, mediastinum superiorus, mediastinum inferiorus anteriorus, mediastinum medius inferiorus, mediastinum inferiorus posteriorus, and here you will add structures. For you will be easy to study next lesson. And organs you can add here. What will be in this mediastinum? Что? Что случилось? As for pleura, this very, very thin serosus coat that consists of 2 layers of cells. It has special type of epithelium that present on basal membrane, membrana basalis. This special type of epithelium, it has name mesothelium, and special, it has shape like this. This cells, this coat cover from internal side walls of thoracic cavity and lungs. We have 2 types like peritoneum. We have pleura parietalis and pleura visceralis. What's this? Thoracic cage, yes? This diaphragm, this apertura thoracica superior. Trachea, primary bronchs, lungs. Have you other color? Blue or black or red or green? Walls of thoracic cavity. Red color. Parietal pleura, pleura parietalis. It makes two bags. Pleural sacs, pleural bags. Instead of peritoneum, these bags will be closed. Air pressure will be lower than outside. For what? To prevent collapse of lung. In the region of radix pulmonis, parietal pleura change into visceral pleura. Green colored, visceral pleura. In this place, we have structure called ligamentum pulmonale. It was a lot of ligaments of peritoneum. Yes, your teacher told you before that we have ligamentum hepatogastricum, ligamentum hepatoduodenale, etc. Many others. Here only one ligament, called ligamentum pulmonale. Here it is. Between visceral and parietal pleura. Junction, called ligamentum pulmonale, in the region of radix pulmonis. Parietal pleura, it consists of several parts. We have pleura costalis that cover ribs from inside. Pleura diaphragmalis for diaphragm. And I told you before, pleura mediastinalis. Here, this part of pleura, mediastinalis. That will be lateral wall of superior and inferior mediastinum. Between parts of pleura, we have deep places that cause pleural sacs. Pleural here. This place, and this place. Junctions of 2 pleura. This one calls recessus costa diaphragmaticus. This one calls recessus phrenico mediastinalis. Why phrenico? Because musculus phrenicus, another name, of diaphragm. Phrenico mediastinalis. 3. Recessus costa mediastinalis. Recessus costa mediastinalis. This diagram you need to draw into your notes. Why do you need to know? If we have inflammation on pleura, how it calls inflammation on pleura? Pleuritis. Itis ending means inflammation, да? So pleuritis. If we, what function of pleura? It function, main function, production of liquid that lubricates surface of lung that prevent friction during inspiration and expiration. And if you have inflammation, production of this fluid increase, and this fluid gets to this space and can block normal breathing, movements of lung. So when you will be doctors, if your patient have pleuritis, you need to make X-ray investigation. If here will be fluid, you need to make injection and remove this fluid. How you will do it, you will study next year. But where you will find this fluid? At first, this fluid gets to these spaces. You need to take X-ray photo and find this spaces.
Вообще-то да.
Мне преподаватель нужен, буквально 30 секунд.
Какой из?
А у вас много их?
Два преподавателя.
Я понял. Мы тут коллектив просто приглашаем гостей в Запорожский государственный центр проводить здесь, понимаете? Просто общались у вас как на кафедре.
Только про клоунов говорил. We look for liquid in this deep space, deep place. This space, especially right side between liver, because liver here, can be rather deep, like this, for 4 finger, 8 centimeters. So you need to know. And topography of lung and pleura. What do you need to know? You need to know borders of lung. How you will study borders of lung? According to topographic lines of body. Your first topic it was teacher told you about anatomical plane and axis, and also about anatomical lines, topographic lines. What does it mean? We have linea mediana, linea, this anterior side, and this posterior side. Linea mediana anterior and posterior. From anterior side it goes through the middle of sternum. From that side it goes through processus spinosus. Next, linea parasternalis. Linea parasternalis. Here, both sides from lateral edge of sternum. Next, linea medioclavicularis. Linea medioclavicularis. Cell mammillaris. What is it? Cell? Cell means O. You can find in some books medioclavicularis. In other books you can find name mammillaris. For male body will be in the middle of nipple. Here. Nipple. Mammillaris. As for next, called axillaris anterior. Linea axillaris anterior. Here it will be anterior fold that border fossa axillaris. Axillaris media in the middle of fossa axillaris, and axillaris posterior will be with this axillaris media. Axillaris media. Axillaris posterior will be on posterior side. Axillaris posterior with posterior fold of fossa axillaris. Next, back side, we will see linea scapularis, linea paravertebralis, paravertebralis, it will be with processus transversus. It goes through processus transversus. Why do you need to know it? As you know, doctor, when you feel bad, cough, for example, you have doctor comes and start to make investigation. This investigation calls percussion. To find border of percussion we use to find border of lung. We listen for sound. Loud will be light sound, and on the liver will be deep sound. So you need to find inferior border of lung or middle border of lung. Normal. Apex pulmonis, it will be 1-2 centimeters above clavicula, or 3-4 centimeters first rib. From this point it goes down to linea parasternalis, and with linea parasternalis right side it gets to 6th rib. Left side, because we have here in caesura cardiaca, will be 4th rib, left side. Linea medioclavicularis, right side. On the level of 6th rib. Next, axillaris anterior, 7. Axillaris media, 8. Axillaris posterior, 9. Scapularis, 10. And linea paravertebralis, 11. This normal. If will be pleuritis and fluid will be here in the space, yes, will be another sound, and lower H will be up. This is not normal. For pleura, inferior H will be +1 rib. Pleura. So if it's 6, must be 7. If it's 7, must be 8. Only linea axillaris +2 rib. Linea axillaris. Most deepest place here for pleura. I told you, recessus sternocastaris. So this diagram you need to draw. This table you need to fill. And next topic for you: pleura, topography, and mediastinum.